Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and we'll be doing you and your person reading this time. And on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for all my Aries gang. What's there for the Aries gang? So on your side we have the Three of Cups. On your person side, we have the sun. Okay, two have come up. The death and the sun. Okay. Okay. And then the most likely outcome for this connection, the Knight of Swords. So Aries, you are looking for a reunion. You want to have a reunion with this person. We'll clarify all the cards. And on your person's side, we have these two cards, the major arcanas, the death and the sun. So this person is undergoing some major change in his or her life. Okay, so this person is undergoing a major transition, a major change. Something is ending in their life. Perhaps they have to deal with something, or they are currently dealing with something, maybe because of which they may not be able to focus on you also. Can be that. But yes, this person is definitely dealing with some sort of an ending. But the thing is that this person should be aware that whatever is ending is supposed to end and is going to give them I should say, a beautiful new beginning and happiness. So whatever is ending, let it end. If be it in this relationship, maybe some aspect or some situation, or something in the relationship needs to end, or it can be in their individual life, that they are facing something which is not that easy, that it is a major transition time on this person's life. But yes, whatever is ending is going to give them a lot of happiness, as the most likely outcome is the Knight of Swords. So it is just rushing in towards each other. It's yes, to some extent an impulsive energy, but yes, it is movement towards each other. Okay, so let's see what is this Three of Cups here for on my Aries people side. What's this Three of Cups here for? Okay, for that we have the Eight of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, let's see what is this Death card and the Sun card about. Okay, we have the Five of Swords, the Strength, and the Page of Swords. Okay, what is this Knight of Swords about for my Aries? The Six of Cups, the Four of Wands, and the Two of Wands. Okay, so Aries, you are wanting a reconciliation with this person. Yes, and you are also leaving something behind. You are leaving your past behind. You are leaving something which was perhaps important at some point in time, but yes, now you are realizing that it's not worth it. There is no point in staying in that past or anything which was holding you back. So definitely you are ready to leave something behind and walk slowly and steadily towards this person. Okay, so whosoever this person is looking for a reconciliation. Maybe something was holding you back from this reconciliation or spending time together, and now you are leaving whatever it was which was holding you back. You are leaving it behind. Slowly and steadily you are moving towards this particular change. So things are definitely changing. We have the Wheel of Fortune on your side, so things are definitely changing. So perhaps maybe you were distant at some point in time. Maybe recently you had a spat or a fight or an argument. I'm saying that because we have the Five of Swords there. So maybe there was some sort of a disconnect in this relationship. Maybe it was a breakup at that point in time, and that breakup perhaps was a lesson for this relationship on both of you sides. Both of you were learning something out of it. That's what I feel, and that is the main transition. There was some lesson perhaps to be learned in this, because of this disconnect, that the lesson, so that you can move forward in this relationship, something had to be learned perhaps. That's what I feel, and that was a change which was necessary for the progress of this relationship. That's what I feel. Here for this we have the Five of Swords, the Strength, and the Page of Swords. So definitely there has been some sort of an argument or a fight, and it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. Here we have the emotional baggage on this side, and here we have a strength, death, and sun there. So definitely it is something which is not easy. It was, what I feel here is, this fight wasn't an easy one. It was not a small one. Perhaps it came out to be a huge one. Maybe it even may have started with the small thing, but yes, it blew up, perhaps disproportionately. And it isn't easy for this person also to go through whatever this person is going through after this fight or an argument. And we have the Page of Swords. So yes, there is a new beginning, a clarity coming in, and a new communication coming in over here with the Page of Swords. But yes, that communication may be a small one, like a text or something like that, not a very huge one. But yes, definitely this person is ready for a communication after going through this transition or this understanding. Okay, yes, something is ending and something new is coming up, which is definitely giving a lot of happiness. For the Knight of Swords, we have the Six of Cups, the Four of Wands, and the Two of Wands. Yes, somebody here is definitely waiting, and since it is the mutual energy, I should say both of you are really waiting for this reconciliation. Both of you want to talk to each other, and we have the Six of Cups and the Four of Wands. So the wait is over. There is a reconciliation definitely coming in, and both of you are getting together, spending time together. This is stability, this is commitment, this is long term. Okay, so the things are definitely changing. It is a transition time, that's what I feel. But yes, this wait will be over, and you will be able to get back to each other. But yes, there is some lesson which has to be learned, or maybe this disconnect has taught you. So and this lesson was important for the progress of this relationship in future. So let's see what is the oracle card or the guidance from the universe for this. Like attracts like. Number two may be of some significance for you. Like attracts like. If you long for more love, be more loving. And just look, find the inner child, be innocent, be in touch with your inner child, be innocent. Do not carry like a child. You just need to let go of whatever has happened. Children, they don't keep the grudges. So here also, the guidance here is, don't keep the grudges. If you love more, if you want more love, you need to give that love to the other person. So Aries, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.